Hello, and today we'll be making apple pies.
Our apple pies.
Let's start cooking. Pastry mix.
Adding water 1/2 cup in. And we have to mix it gently. 80 grams of sugar.
Mix it all together. It should turn into a dough. If it doesn't, add more water.
Here is our dough.
I am going to cut 6 apples. If you want to, cut as many as you like for more apple pies. Now I am going to cut the skin off. Now I am going to cut it into smaller pieces.
In total, we have 6 apples. Now we have to cook them. Chopped apples. Now we add butter. I think it's starting to heat up. It should heat up. Sugar. Yes, spread around. Cinnamon. Yes. Drizzle. Yeah. Stir and cook for 10 minutes. It has been 10 minutes and it should be looking like this. Now we are going to have the dough and shape it into a rectangle. Yay! Here is our dough. I placed some flour so the dough wouldn't stick to the board. Now I'm going to spread it around. To cut it into 3 pieces. But before that, I must mark it so I know what I am cutting. For now, I am going to use one of the dough. Now I am going to roll it. Clearly making as many rectangles I can use with the dough. You must cut it as equal like this. 1, make sure to cut it the same size. I am going to add my apples. I'm going to use a fork to imprint onto the dough so it can stick on. Cut the sides out uneven so it can be even. I am adding oil. Now I'm going to brush it with some beaten eggs. This is what it should look like after. Now we are going to deep fry our apple pies. We are using hot oil. Wow. Not crispy enough. Now it is now crispy brown. Our apple pies. Oh wow. Wow. It's yummy. Our second one is better than the first.